Assalamu alaikum. Dear students of class 5, hope you all are fine by the kindness of Allah the Exalted. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Wahid Noor, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My beloved students, today I will take your religion class. Let's see what is our topic today. Today our topic is BQ 1 to 18, total 18 BQ. From exercise chapter number 2, and this is lecture number 9 and HW number 5. My beloved students, last YouTube class I taken CSQ from chapter 2, competency based short question, and we are providing many of the questions only for your study, for your learning the question answer. So you are getting enough question answer from chapter 1, chapter 2, but don't be worried, day by day you will practice the question answer. Today I will discuss BQ 1 to 18, total 18 BQ, and all of these are you will get in your exercise chapter number 2. In online class, teacher will discuss in chapter 2, then inshallah one by one you will understand what is said in the question and answer. So let's start, my dear students. What is the first question? Chapter 2, first question is describe the significance of ibadat. My beloved students, I will not discuss inside of the answer because a lot of writing is here, but I am discussing the summary of the answer. So here said describe the significance of ibadat, the importance of ibadat. So here written about the speech of Almighty Allah and the importance of the ibadat, where we should follow the ibadat, etc. So my dear students, so when you will read this question and answer, then inshallah you can realize what is here. Now question number 2, describe the importance of salat. My beloved students, there is the significance of ibadat, the importance of ibadat, but here the importance of salat. So in chapter 2 there is the discussion about the salat. So if you read about the salat discussion, then you can understand. So here I also included about the Allah's speech, Aqimis Salah, and then the importance of salat, why we should perform the salat every day 5 times, what our Prophet ﷺ says about the salat, etc. So it was the question number 2, the importance of salat. Now question number 3, my dear students, this is very easy. Question number 3 is describe the schedule of 5 times salat. This schedule means not the watching time. This schedule is regarding the position of the sun. So at the time of Prophet ﷺ, there wasn't any watch. That's why they performed the salat, the position of the sun. So here said about that position. For example, the Fajr time, when you will perform the Fajr salat, then Johor, then Asr, then Maghrib, and then Isha. My beloved students, all of these sentences you will get same as in your book chapter number 2. So don't be worried. I didn't reduce or I didn't increase any of the sentences here. Same as you will get in your book. Now question number 4. Describe the fazilat and teaching of salat with congregation. My beloved students, congregation means when you will perform the salat in jamaat, in the mosque, then how many fazilat, how many rewards, how many prize you will get from the Almighty Allah. So these 5 rewards, these 5 fazilats also you will get in your book chapter number 2. And then the another part of this question, that is teaching of salat. You are performing the salat, but what you are taking the what you are learning, what you are taking the teaching from for performing the salat. You are learning something from the refrain from the sinful activities, or you are involving the sinful activities, and on the other hand you are performing the salat. So what you are learning from by performing the salat, here said about that. Okay, now question number 5, it's very easy to you because you are performing the salat. So question is, write the rules of 2 rakats for a salat. So how you perform the salat, same thing here I written. So you will think what you do after one by one. For example, at first the niyat, then takbir-e-tahrima, then ruku, shizda, reciting the surah. Like that you are finishing the salat by saying salam, right side and left side. So it was the question number 5. Now question number 6, write the ahkam of salat. Students, this is very much important. Question number 6, write the ahkam of salat. Ahkam means what you are doing before performing the salat, that is called ahkam of salat. So all of these things, here 7 points, all of these things you are doing before performing the salat, that's why it is called ahkam of salat. And 7 number, what do you mean of arkan of salat? What are the arkans? So here also 7 points, arkan of salat. There is the definition of arkan of salat. I mean what you are doing midst of salat, that is called arkan of salat. For example, you are starting the salat by saying Allahu Akbar, then you are standing position, you are performing the salat, then going to the ruku, performing the shizda, etc. So this 6 number and 7 number is very much important because most of the exam it's come. Now my dear students, I will discuss about the question number 8. What are the wajib of salat? So here you can see there are 14 wajib of salat I mentioned. All of these are you will get in your book. So you have to memorize that or you have to read again and again, then you can give the answer in the exam. What is wajib of salat? Wajib it's come after the faroz. If you mistake any of the wajib, then you have to perform the sahu sizda. Already we discussed in the short question answer how you will perform the sahu sizda. So there is the wajib of salat, 14 wajib of salat. Now question number 9, what are the etiquettes of mosque? I mean masjid. Students, etiquettes means manners, decency. I mean when you are going to the mosque, when you are entering to the mosque, then what should you do and what shouldn't you do? So they are written, and all of this point you will get in your book. And not only that, in your book more 3 points are left. I written here only 8 points. There is important when you are entering the mosque, what dua you will say. For example, Allahumma aftahli abwaab rahmatik. Then when you are exiting from the mosque, coming out from the mosque, then what you will say? Then Allahumma inni as'aluka min fadlik. All of these dua are here included. So this is question number 9. Now question number 10, write in brief the importance and significance of Psalm. So my beloved students, this is related to the Roza, I mean the Psalm. Psalm means Roza. So here I written 4 or 5 important point, the importance of significance of Psalm, then training for taqwa, then self-restraint, then the shield of self-defense. It makes a mu'min patient and soft for Psalm. Students, you can think, sir, it's very big the answer. So I will advise to you, if you read again and again by understanding the answer, then you can write from yourself. Then it will be very easy. Question number 10. Now 11 number, describe the significance and lesson of zakat. My beloved students, all of these topics we'll discuss in live class, online class, then it will be very easy for you. So question number 11, describe the significance and lesson of zakat. So here discuss about the significance, about the importance of zakat. So I written here a few points, the significance and lesson of zakat. Number 1 is abide by the orders of Allah, bringing revolutionary change in the mentality, then increasing and purifying the wealth. And here the phone number, this is the phone number of question number 11, zakat removes poverty. So and 5 number, jealousy and hostility is removed from the society. So it was the 5 points, the importance, the significance of the zakat. Now students, question number 12, how many masarif of zakat are there? Describe the masarif. All of this masarif you will get. Masarif means where you will give the zakat. You can to whom you will give the zakat. For example, you cannot give the zakat to your father or mother. So where you will give the zakat? For example, the poor person, the destitute people, this type of person you can give the zakat. This is called the masarif of zakat. Now question number 13, write the importance and significance of Hajj. So student, this is the discussion about the Hajj. What is the importance of Hajj? I written here 5 points. Number 1 is universal brotherhood is established. Now deep relation with Allah is increased. Now number 3, the annual international Muslim assembly, this is, and number 4, etiquette is established, and last number, the greatest way of removing the sin. So it was the importance of the Hajj. Now question number 14, write in brief the farages, I mean compulsory action of Hajj. I mean, if you want to perform the Hajj, there are 3 farz. I written here about the farz. So you will get these 3 farz in your book. Farz of Hajj, first one is to wear ihram, number 2 ukuf Arafat, and number 3 tawaf ziyarat. And this I describe here about the farz of Hajj. Question number 15, write the importance of cleanliness of mouth, teeth and hand. Students, every day we are playing or we are working something, but is it important the washing the hands or mouth or teeth or not? So here I written about the importance of cleanliness of mouth, teeth and hand. So regarding this question, there is the speech of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. For example, here Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said about that something. So I involve here. So question number 15 about the importance of cleanliness of mouth and hand. Now question number 16, write the history of Qurbani in brief. My beloved students, you know that history about the Qurbani that is related to the Ibrahim alayhi salam and Ismail alayhi salam. Ibrahim alayhi salam saw the dream, he is slaughtering one choiceable things, his choiceable things, most choiceable things, then that is his son. So regarding this, there is the history. So if you read again and again, then you can you can write this question answer. Now question 17, describe the significance of devotion and sincerity in performing religious activities with devotion. My beloved students, you have to understand this question. Describe the significance of devotion and sincerity in performing religious activities with devotion. I mean, when you want to perform any of the ibadat, Islamic rules, if you want to obey that, you have to follow the devotion, you have to follow the dignity, you have to follow the instruction of Almighty Allah and Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. As you want, you cannot do that. So instruction of the Islamic Shariat, you have to do that. So here said about that. That is question number 17. And last question, question number 18, describe the importance of being liberal, patient, respectful to all other religion. Students, 18 number is very important because we are living in this country together with other religions persons. For example, your neighbors can be your non-Muslim or your friend can be non-Muslim, but how you behave with them. So regarding that, here the answer, describe the importance of being liberal, patient and respectful to all other religions. I mean, you will respect to only your religion person, or you should respect to other religion person. Here said this answer. So it was the question number 1 to 18, my beloved students. Now concentrate to the HW. HW is only BQ number 1. You will write BQ number 1 from here. Okay, my beloved students, you got 18 question answer BQ, and you have to read all of the BQ because if you face the PEC, we don't know from where the question will come in PEC exam. That's why we cannot list any of the question from here. But when another teacher will take your CBQ, I mean competency based board question, there they can be less. So keep practicing at home to abide by your parents, and inshallah, if Allah want, we can meet with each other. See you next day, inshallah. See you next day. Assalamu alaikum.